To remove the hard drive from the PC, first remove the rear cover. Loosen the captive Phillips screw for the hard drive. Grasp the hard drive handle and pull the hard drive out to the side, then up and out of the PC. If replacing the hard drive, detach the 4 screws on the sides of the hard drive cage. Note that the screws are different than screws used for other system components. Slide the hard drive out of the cage. Before installing a hard drive in the cage, make sure there is a rubber grommet in each side hole of the drive cage. Install a new grommet into any hole missing a grommet. To replace the hard drive in the cage, slide the drive into the cage until the screw holes on the side of the drive and cage align. Replace the 4 screws. The hard drive cage has 4 tabs on the bottom that fit into 4 slots inside the PC. To replace the hard drive into the PC, place the tabs on the cage near their slots, then slide the hard drive in until secure. Press the handle for the cage down into place. Tighten the captured screw to secure the hard drive in the PC.